Raymond was 71 years old when he got the letter in the mail. It looked completely official. The envelope had a blue and white government seal on it. The letterhead said, Medicare Benefits Coordination Center. It said that Raymond may be eligible for an upgraded Medicare plan, better coverage, lower copays, and a free dental benefit that his current plan didn't include. All he had to do was call the number at the bottom of the page. Raymond called. The woman who answered sounded professional and patient. She asked him a few questions about his current coverage. She explained that because of his age and income level, he qualified for a special supplemental plan that most people didn't know existed. She said the premium would be $127 a month. She said it would cover everything his regular Medicare didn't: dental, vision, hearing aids, and up to $800 a year in over-the-counter medications. Raymond asked if this was through Medicare. She said yes. It was a Medicare-approved supplemental plan administered through a private partner. He gave her his credit card number. For the next 22 months, $127 disappeared from his account every single month. He received a welcome packet in the mail with a member ID card and a phone number to call if he needed to use his benefits. Raymond didn't need to use the insurance for almost 2 years. Then in the spring, he started having chest pains. His doctor sent him for a stress test and an echocardiogram. The bill came to just over $4,000. Raymond called the number on his member ID card to submit the claim. The number played a recorded message saying the mailbox was full. He tried 3 more times over the next week. Same message. He went online to find the company's website. The website was gone. He called his regular Medicare and asked them to look up the supplemental plan. The woman on the phone went quiet for a moment. Then she said she had no record of that plan, no record of that company. No record of any payments made on his behalf. Raymond sat down at his kitchen table and did the math. 22 months. $127 a month. $2,794 gone. Plus the $4,000 medical bill he now had to pay entirely out of pocket. Nearly $7,000 total for a policy that never existed. He called his credit card company. Because the charges were more than 60 days old, they could only dispute the last 2 months. He got back $254. He filed a report with the FTC. He called his state attorney general's office. He contacted Medicare directly. The company name on his member card was traced to a shell corporation registered in a state Raymond had never been to, with an address that turned out to be a UPS store. The phone number had been a prepaid VoIP line. The people behind it were never identified. Raymond told his story at a local senior center. He said the thing that bothered him most wasn't the money. It was the 2 years he spent believing he was protected. 2 years of not worrying. 2 years thinking he had coverage. The peace of mind itself had been fake. This scam is running right now across the United States. Every single day, seniors are receiving letters, phone calls, and emails that look exactly like what Raymond received. Here is how it works. Scammers buy or steal lists of Medicare beneficiaries. These lists are sometimes leaked from data breaches, sometimes purchased through shady data brokers. They know your name, your age, your zip code, sometimes even your current plan details. They design materials that look government-issued. The colors, the seals, the language, all copied from real Medicare documents. Some of these letters are almost indistinguishable from the real thing. They offer benefits that sound just real enough. Dental and vision are real gaps in standard Medicare, so offering to fill those gaps sounds completely believable. They take your money for months or years before disappearing. The longer they run, the more they collect. And by the time you try to use the insurance and discover it's fake, most of the charges are too old to dispute. Here is what you need to know to protect yourself and the people you love. Medicare will never call you, text you, or send you unsolicited mail asking you to upgrade your plan or confirm your information. If you receive anything like that, it is a scam, period. If someone contacts you about a Medicare plan, hang up and call Medicare directly at 1-800-MEDICARE. That is 1-800-633-4227. Ask them directly if the plan exists. Ask them to look up the company name. This one phone call could save you everything. Before signing up for any supplemental plan, ask for the plan's Medicare contract number. Every legitimate Medicare Advantage or Medigap plan has one. You can verify it instantly on Medicare.gov. If they can't give you a contract number, walk away. Never give your Medicare number, Social Security number, or credit card information to someone who contacted you first. A real Medicare plan representative will send you written materials and give you time to review them. Pressure to decide today is always a red flag. And check your credit card statements every single month. Raymond might have caught this in the first few months if he had been watching. Most banks allow you to set up alerts for recurring charges. Use that feature. Raymond is 74 now. He has real supplemental coverage through a plan he verified himself on Medicare.gov. He volunteers twice a month at his local senior center, talking to other retirees about exactly what happened to him. He says he's not embarrassed anymore. He says the people who did this to him were professionals. They studied how to make seniors trust them. They practiced it. They were very, very good at it. The only thing that stops them is information. So, share this video. Send it to your parents, your grandparents, your neighbors. One person who watches this might be someone who is about to pick up that phone. Subscribe so you don't miss the next story. Every week, we cover what's really happening to real Americans in retirement and exactly what you can do to stay safe. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.